Hello, Jamil Janjua, welcome aboard, said New Horizon Aircraft, as it appointed a world-renowned test pilot and astronaut to its board of directors. Janjua brings over 5,500 flight hours across over 65 aircraft, a career spanning Royal Canadian Air Force fighter operations, instructional roles at USAF Test Pilot School, leadership in billion-dollar aerospace programs, and current work as a test pilot at Virgin Galactic. With his engineering background from the Royal Military College, MIT, and Wharton MBA, Janjua explained the Cavorite X7's hybrid fan in-wing architecture as a breakthrough for both civilian and military missions, and noted his goal is to ensure the company's execution aligns with delivering, quote, the safest possible certified aircraft. He could also be invaluable in progressing the Cavorite X7 as one of the only VTOL aircraft in development designed to fly under Instrument Flight Rules (IFR) and certify for flight into known icing (FICI) capabilities, currently limited to a small number of heavy, high-cost helicopters. These advancements target reliable, year-round operation for medevac, search and rescue, and critical goods transport. Helicopters frequently face icing-related cancellations and hazards due to exposed rotors, a challenge the X7's fan in-wing architecture mitigates by enclosing lift fans during forward flight. The company launched an all-weather propulsion project supported by a Canadian INSAT non-dilutive grant, testing ice-phobic coatings, electrothermal protection, and advanced ice detection systems. Horizon CEO Brandon Robinson noted the X7's ability to fly in clouds is a, quote, significant differentiator for real-world missions. Horizon is currently constructing its full-scale aircraft, has expanded engineering capacity by 50%, and reports sufficient capital secured to enter major testing phases. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.